Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at this very cool product. This is a 3D hologram fan from Missyou. So this is a very nice product, very cool. It's a 3D hologram. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. Just going to do the unboxing here. It comes with an instruction manual. And we have the fan here with the blades. Let me show you guys how to install it. We have all the hardware necessary for installation. Comes with a remote control, so you can transfer everything from the app that you can install on your phone. So there is no necessary hard editing tools in order to transfer your content to the hologram. You can just transfer via Wi-Fi from your phone, so that's a very convenient. So it comes with the power source and all the hardware needed. So we're gonna be show you guys. Here we have all the fans, as you can see, all LED. They are very bright. I'm gonna tell you guys how to install it next. Alright guys, so first we're gonna install these blades. So as you can see, they are marked. There's a B and A. So in this case, we're gonna align the B mark, and then we're gonna insert this slot into the receiver here on the unit. So we're just gonna align it and push it down. And the LED lights are gonna be facing upward, as you can see. And then after that, we're gonna secure them with the provided screws. And they also provide, the screwdriver with this unit as well. Alright guys, so up next, after we install the B blades, we're gonna install the A ones. Same process, we're gonna align it and insert it into the slot and secure it with the screws. Okay guys, so after we install the blades, now we're gonna have the stand. So this is the stand. That's how it comes, very well protected. We have this base and then all the brackets. Okay guys, so first we're gonna install these pads here into the back side of the base. Comes in a pack of 4. Just gonna do one on each corner. Up next, we're gonna insert the screws. There's 2 screws into the holes already made. Then we're gonna add the base. Alright guys, so after we finish with the stand, we're just gonna slide this bracket into the unit. Just like that. Then we are all set. Okay guys, we also got this box for protection of the blades. We got this acrylic blade protector. We're gonna install it now. So this is how it comes. The box. Very well protected. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to assemble it. Okay guys, so after installation is complete, we're gonna turn on the unit. So we have the options to control it with the remote control or also using the app. So we're gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi on your phone. Okay guys, so I'm gonna hit it run. And it starts displaying, and you can switch. You can also pause it and hit play again. You can control the brightness on the remote control. You can dim it down or up. That's very cool guys. You also have the option to add from the gallery. We have 1,500 different arts, and you can also have different also add videos and pictures from your own gallery to the hologram. Look at that. So that's pretty cool to use it on events. So you can have your logo, your company logo, or during the holidays, you can have different themes, for instance, for Christmas or Halloween, you know, whatever you like. So that's very awesome, guys. Really loved it. You can download it from the cloud to the gallery, as well as you can take a picture on your cell phone and transfer any type of file to the unit. So that's a very cool feature. Really love the fact that you can pause it. For instance, if you're at an event and you want to display like the logo of your company or whatever details you may want to highlight on the event, you can pause the video and it's going to be a still image as well. Não tô sacudindo, o cara que tá andando aí tremendo a casa toda. Okay guys, so a little more here on the app. You can create a playlist and you can control from your phone. As you can see, you can change different ones. You can also add your own pictures. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Your own videos as well as images from the cloud as well. So here on gallery, you can go to cloud and then it's gonna show you. Okay, so we can choose a file here, and then you can send it to a test, and then it's gonna download it to the unit. The unit has a memory card that you can transfer files to the unit via Wi-Fi. Don't pause it. And then after we download it, you can see here, test, and then it's gonna send a carousel pictures. So you can put different pictures or files and it's gonna show on the hologram. That's pretty awesome, guys. Okay, so that's another cool feature. We can do a 3D box picture. So after we finish, we save it and then we put a 3D box of our family pictures. And then we go back. Local. So we go to local. And then we see our 3D box, we hit it, and then send. So it's gonna be sending after you finish downloading it. All right, so now we can see here the family, and hit send, and it's already there. That's very cool, guys. I don't know if you can see it very well on the picture, on the video here, but you don't see the movements of the fan in real life. You just see the box itself. Very awesome. Here. So we also have this box provided, so you can install the fans. O coisinha, tem que colocar ele no flat, ó, do lado que é flat. Okay, we connect to the bracket, then we slide the unit. We're just gonna finish the box. We're all set. Alright guys, so after we install this protective box, you can turn the unit on and run. So that way, if you are in a crowd, a big crowd, and have kids, sometimes they tend to try to touch the objects that are flying on the display, so that way they are protected. So they can try to grab it, but they're not gonna cut themselves. So just a safety feature. So we have the two options. We have this acrylic box for safety, or we have the stand as well. So you can choose from either one. So they are both pretty safe, and you can display all your images, your video. You can transfer videos and photos from your phone directly to the hologram itself. So I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely recommend it to all my friends and family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.